Navigating My Buckets. Tap My Buckets to see the list of buckets you've created. Click any bucket to open its dashboard, which includes 4 sections: Overview, Records, Reports, and Settings. Inside Settings, you'll choose between a general bucket and a business bucket. If you're using a business bucket, click Edit Business Info to fill in your company name, business ID, logo, contact details, and a short description. Click the Preview button to see exactly how your invoice will look when it's generated with that information. If you'd like, you can also click Products to add commonly used items for invoicing. In a general bucket, click to update the name, change the VAT or tax rate, set your preferred currency, and customize the interface by choosing a bucket color. Click the color picker, select a shade you like, then click Accept to apply it. Back in the Overview section, you'll see 4 key buttons just below the menu. Click the Share button to invite others to your bucket. You can assign specific permissions depending on what access they need. In the Overview section, click the Upload button to add a new expense by uploading an Excel or PDF file, snapping a photo of a receipt, or speaking to Otto using your mic. Click the Download button to generate invoices or receipts, available if your bucket is set to business. Click the Chat button to communicate with other users. Or, if you're working solo, use it to write quick notes for yourself. Just a heads up, messages in chat are cleaned up every 2 days, and only the last 50 are kept. So it's not a space for permanent notes. Underneath that, you'll find your bucket summary. If the total is red, that means you're in debt. If it's turquoise, you're in the positive. On the left, you'll see your total debt for the current year, and on the right, your total income. Below that, you'll find 2 charts, a bar graph comparing this year's activity to last year, month by month, and a pie chart showing your top 4 categories by amount. Click the pie chart to explore more details, and slide to see which categories make up the bulk of your spending or income. Further down, you'll see a breakdown by category, showing how much you've spent or earned in each one. In the Overview, the bottom window shows the list of bucket users and how many records they've added. Now, click the Records tab to view all the entries in your bucket. You can search by keyword, filter by year or month, or click the calendar icon to sort by date. Click the Business filter to group records by business name. To view or update a record, click on it. You'll see all the captured details, like supplier name and contact info if Otto picked them up. Click Save to confirm any changes, or click Delete to remove the record. Need to share it? Click PDF to export a copy. Finally, in the Overview, click the Reports tab to generate Excel or PDF summaries. Select the year, choose specific months, or click the calendar icon to define a custom range. You can group your report as a list or by category, include receipt images, and add a joint summary if needed. That's your full walkthrough of My Buckets in Otto.